Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to a brand new vlog. So if you're joining us from last week, I look exactly the same. I'm in the exactly same place because I just finished last week's vlog. It is around the 1 o'clock mark, I'm gonna say, on Friday the 29th of March. And Tom and I have just come back from the gym. We worked out today together. We did weights, so we did arms and I did a tiny little bit of legs, but I didn't get to do any cardio. But I think I'm gonna do some cardio tomorrow after work because I can't go to the gym before. So yeah, I'm about to make my smoothie and I reckon Tom and I are just gonna chill for a little bit, and then I've got to get ready and I've got to go to work, which is really sad because I don't want to go, I want to stay. So yeah, I'm gonna have my smoothie and then probably get ready and then eat my salad with Tom. That's pretty much what's going on. But yeah, thought I'd just start the vlog so that I know I'm vlogging this week. Hello everybody. Fuck me to death. Oh my god. Oh, it's Saturday. It's 5:15. Oh my god, don't ignore, just ignore completely how I look. I look very oily. I've just got back from work. I've got undressed because, Jesus, I need to relax. I'm absolutely exhausted. I finished work yesterday at 10:30. I was back in today, work at 9:20. I haven't really slept very well. I'm back in again tomorrow at 9:30, and then Monday at 9:45. Evidently, Mactraff don't care about my sleeping. But yeah, I'm home. Tom's just started work, so that's annoying. So we've literally just had no time today together. I did give him a little cuddle before I went to work though. I'm really hungry. So I had my smoothie this morning like usual, but that was at like 8:30. Then I had a tuna baguette from Pret at 1. And now I'm hungry at 5, which usually doesn't happen. That's quite a short time to be hungry by, but I'm actually really hungry, but I think I'm just dehydrated more than anything, so I'm gonna have a drink. I'll have water in a sec. I need to take this bloody makeup off. I need to rip these off so bad. Jesus Christ, I've had this makeup on for so long. I'm so hungry. Oh, it's Sunday. I didn't vlog this morning because I was absolutely freaking shattered. I still am, to be fair. I just had like a 10-minute little nap. We are off to Duke's. Is that right? Duke's for dinner. And I go in. And I think my brother's coming for a little bit. I don't know. Tom's in charge of that, so Tom knows. And yeah, I'm excited because I'm really hungry. I haven't really eaten today. Well, I haven't eaten today. I've had a smoothie. That's all that's pretty much going on in my life right now. I had a good right day at work. It's like Mother's Day, so I just feel a bit like shit anyway. Apple Pay makes me just like, oh, ignore the rest of like cards and everything. Does anyone else feel like that? Like, now I have Apple Pay, I'm just like, oh, I don't need to know where my wallet is. I've got it. I would show my outfit, but it's so standard. It's like a little black crop tee, the same fashion over jeans as always, and then my cardigan's from that Misha Lounge, and then I'm just gonna wear my little YSL bag. It's a really cute, like, little simple outfit. But yeah, I think we're gonna head off now. I'm walking, so I'll see you guys. I'll probably just show you what I get. Oh my arm is still aching from the gym. Hello, Papa.
Wow. Wow.
I'm not really sure where we are, but it's very, oh god, it's very pretty. I will. It's so small. Yeah, buddy. It's Monday morning. It's 9:05. I need to leave in a sec, actually. I'm really sorry that I keep like vlogging in the morning and then like not that much in the evening. Every time I come home, like yesterday we went out for a meal and then came home, and I swear to God, I just feel so exhausted and so tired. Like I know I say it a lot, but I really struggle with earlies. Like I hate them. I say to one of the girls at work who always does early, I'm like, what do you do when you go home? She's like, I'll go shopping or for a walk. I was just like, I'll go to sleep. I'd rather be on late. I really would. So I had like a gump of a lip gloss there. So yeah, it's 9:05 now. Got another freaking early. Just roll on tomorrow, so I can have a lie. I swear to God, if I wake up at 8 o'clock tomorrow, I'm gonna be pissed. Dinner was really nice yesterday. I really wanted the chicken and noodle bowl, but it's made with like lime broth. So I asked them for no broth and they went, no, we can't do that. So Tom just got me chicken wings instead because he knows how much I love me some chicken wings, which I do. And yeah, I got to see my brother for a bit, which was really nice. I hadn't seen him for a little while. And then we came back and Tom put on Who Framed Roger Rabbit, and I just edited a vlog. I had copyright issues, that's why it went up twice. And then, sorry guys, I ran out of minutes. Yeah, I just went to bed. Tom's asleep at the moment, that's why I'm kind of talking a bit weird. So when I finish today, come home, I need to clean the beauty room. Jesus Christ. I also need to clean my brushes as well. And I need to sleep because I'm very tired. I'm so tired. Hello everybody. I'm in a lot much, evidently not. I'm in a lot better mood now. It is 25 past 7. I was like, what the hell is that? It's my shadow, it's okay. I've finished work evidently, and I went on a cheeky sunbed sesh to get some colour on me because I'm very pale. And then I've just been at home. I've kind of been like unwinding. Like I said this morning, like I just don't cope well with earlies, and I think like shift pattern in general is just so hard. Oh, I forgot my freaking mayonnaise, you asswipe. I think shift patterns in general is just so hard. Like if you're like one day you're up at like 6 AM, the next minute you're at work until 11 PM. Do you know what I mean? One sec. Can I put you there? I'm just gonna squirt mayo on my dinner. So I've just been super like stressed because I haven't really slept. Oh, booby. I haven't really slept properly since Thursday night. So yeah, I just felt a bit like deflated, but so I've just had to take a few, like about half an hour just to myself because I popped to Sainsbury's to get some stuff for dinner. And now I'm just sat watching Real Housewives of Orange County, and I've just got my dinner. When I went to Sainsbury's, I went to the deli and I got a chicken sag masala. Sorry, I've said that wrong. What is it doing? Like a little like curry, and I've just put it with like my lettuce, my onions, my cucumber. I was meant to have avocado, but I thought I had some at home and I don't, and I'm not leaving the house again. I'm pretty sure I've zoomed in by accident. Have I not? I feel like I've zoomed in by accident. I knew I zoomed. It is fuck me, what day is it? Tuesday. I've just got back from the gym. I'm in a little bit of a rush because my lazy ass could not wake up this morning. Literally the alarm went up at like 5 past 11 and I was like, snooze. I was just exhausted. I didn't go to sleep till really late yesterday. I just got back from the gym. I just did an hour of cardio. Oh my god, I did 10 minutes on the bikes, 20 minutes on the treadmill, and half an hour on the cross trainer. And I'm going back again tonight to do an abs class and some weights. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to be able to do after this class because I've never done that class before and I'm petrified to death for me. Haven't cleaned this beauty room still, haven't washed my brushes. I'm not even going to just going to leave it be. I do need to get ready because I do need to go because I've got a couple of appointments to do today. And yeah, so I'm just going to quickly have a shower. Catch my breath. I'm going to quickly have a shower and make my smoothie, get ready quickly, go. Well, I need to make my salad because I'm going to eat out, like eat my salad out today. Go, and then, yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. I know I don't really discuss this much on here, but this is what my little salon looks like. My little room. Yeah, I know, and this chair's so nice from TK Maxx. I know I don't talk about the salon side that much on here, but just thought I'd show you guys my little room. It's my most proudest achievements with all these. Yep. Hello. Oh no. Hello. Oh, what a very sexy angle. Hi everyone. Oh my god. It's the evening now. Tom and I have just got back from the gym. Oh, Tom did back and I did 10 minutes bikes, 10 minutes treadmill, 10 minutes cross trainer, or was it 5? It may have been 5. And then I did like loads of weights. So I did all my leg weights and then I did my ab weights. And I'm fucking tired and my belly's killing me. I think I've burnt more calories than I've consumed today. So I think my belly is kind of like, I'm not really going off anything. It kind of feels like I'm having a heart attack. Not right now. Earlier on today after the gym it felt like I was having a heart attack. And then today after the gym it felt like I was having a heart attack. But now it feels like my belly is really hurting. I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna eat some chicken and some rice noodles from Sainsbury's, and that's about it. I know this is a really, really unflattering angle and I'm gonna edit it back and be like, oh my god, you look humongous, but still. I didn't do a class because I was just too scared and nervous, and everyone was already there and I was like, oh, I don't want to walk in late and like not have somewhere to stand, and I just felt really panicky, so I just did my own weights instead. But it worked out fine. Yeah?
Are you ready to have that food now?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll put your chicken on now, right?
Okay.
Just choose, do you know which chicken you want?
Any?
So,
This time!
hello everyone.
My hair is growing. Anyway, I will see you guys later on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Hey guys. It's Wednesday. Oh, I think it's about 1:30. 20 to 2. I am ready. We've been to the gym today. Tom trained chest and I did cardio and some weights, and I've just finished my smoothie, or nearly finished it. Oh my god, the little bit left over. My friend's about to pick me up and we're gonna go to a few shops, look around, and then I'm gonna come home, chill out for a bit, and then I've got a little dinner date with a friend of mine. I will show you my outfit because it's probably gonna be this, and then we'll probably put a leather jacket on top. So this is it. This jumper is like huge and like slouchy and I loves it. The jumper is ASOS, the jeans are Fashion Nova, and then the shoes are like those chunky soled ones. I think these are New Look, maybe ASOS, but I'm pretty sure New Look. And then I'm just gonna put like a leather jacket on just to kind of give me some shape, because this jumper is nice and slouchy and cozy, but it's got no shape to it. So yeah, that is my life at the moment. I'm gonna go and chill with Tom until my friend comes here, because I'm ready. I'm actually ready on time, which never ever happens. When you're resting your head. Hey guys, it is Thursday the 4th. So sorry, I ran out of minutes. Today's Thursday the 4th. I am off to the salon to do a couple of appointments, and then I'm going for food with Beth and Rachel. But I'm just like ready basically. I just need to leave to go to work. So yeah. I didn't have the best sleep last night. I feel really unwell. I feel really unwell now, but it's more like my stomach, and it's really just painful, but I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know if maybe yesterday I ate too heavy, but I only had like starters. I had wok fried greens, ebi katsu. What's the other thing I had? And the buns. So I didn't even have like that much. Maybe I haven't had enough, I don't know. But it doesn't feel well, and like it woke me up this morning at like 5 AM and I was like, are you freaking kidding me right now? So I wasn't happy, and I'm not happy, and it's still hurting now, but hopefully I'm just gonna ride it through and just see what happens. But that is pretty much all that is pop-a-lopping with me again. Good morning, it's Friday, so it's kind of happened again. Well, that's too sunny. I didn't really switch off the vlog yesterday. I came home really late because I finished work late, and I just spent the whole evening taking my nails off, just as my natural hand is tiny. And then I went straight to sleep. I went to sleep at like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I had to get up at 8, so I was very tired. So that's why I didn't really vlog that much yesterday. but I'm just gonna wrap the vlog up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't literally remember anything that we've done at all, but I'm gonna start a new one now, so see you guys next week. If you enjoyed this vlog, then please give it a thumbs up as always, and yeah, I'll see you guys on Sundays.